Both Tabby and Tamara are popular buy now pay later apps that make shopping easier, but they have a few key differences. Tabby operates in more countries, including the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Bahrain, while Tamara mainly serves Saudi Arabia and the UAE. Tabby's app is simple and easy to navigate, while Tamara's design is more colorful and focused on deals and brand offers. In payment options, both let you split into four installments with no interest, but Tamara sometimes allows up to 6 months for larger purchases. Tabby partners with major stores like Amazon, Shein, and H&M, while Tamara is stronger with Saudi brands such as Extra and Namshi. Approval is usually faster on Tabby, and its customer support responds more quickly. Overall, if you want a clean interface, quick setup, and wider coverage, Tabby is slightly better. But if you shop mostly in Saudi Arabia and love flexible plans, Tamara might be your pick. Both are great, it just depends on your shopping habits.